In the high-fidelity reality of 2026, the North American wilderness is not a playground. It is a laboratory of lethal efficiency. Most viewers confuse fearsome with fatal. They look for the largest teeth or the loudest roar. But today, we are archiving the biological truth. From the hyperphagic drive of the Alaskan Grizzly to the neurotoxic precision of the Arizona bark scorpion, and the unexpected statistical lethality of the white-tailed deer, this is the forensic study of the deadliest animal in every U.S. state. Before we deconstruct these apex mechanics, ensure you are subscribed to Virex. We are building the world's most sophisticated digital natural history archive, a repository for the intelligent observer. By subscribing, you secure your place in this ongoing investigation into the mechanics of the natural world. Pay close attention to the final data set regarding the Midwest and Texas. The evidence suggests the most lethal threats are the ones you have been conditioned to ignore. We begin our analysis in the Great North. In Alaska, Montana, and Wyoming, the heart of Yellowstone, the grizzly bear, Ursus arctos horribilis, reigns as the definitive biomechanical force. While documentaries often focus on the spectacle of the hunt, the forensic reality lies in the bear's seasonal drive known as hyperphagia. During this window, the grizzly is a biological machine dedicated to caloric intake. Possessing a bite force of 1,160 psi. This is not merely an animal. It is a force of nature capable of crushing a human cranium without biological fatigue. However, as we move into the dense timber of Idaho and Washington, the predator changes its tactics. Here, the mountain lion operates via shadow protocol. It is a solitary ambush specialist. Forensic tracking shows that a cougar can follow a target for miles without breaking a single twig. Its lethality is not derived from strength, but from the precise dislocation of the cervical vertebrae. In the coastal states of Oregon and Northern California, the data shifts. While many fear the great white shark, the statistical reality in these rugged forests points back to the moose. Weighing up to 1,500 pounds, their lethality comes from kinetic energy. In the low-light conditions of the Northwest, a moose on a highway is a wall of muscle that does not yield. Moving to the sun-scorched grids of the Southwest. Here, the threat scales down in physical mass, but scales up in chemical complexity. In Arizona and New Mexico, we archive the Arizona bark scorpion. It is a neurotoxic specialist. Its sting causes somatic dysfunction, essentially a short-circuiting of the human nervous system. In the Mojave deserts of Nevada and the rocky outcrops of Utah, we find the western rattlesnake. This is a forensic study in thermal optics. Using heat-sensing pits, the rattlesnake can strike with surgical precision in total darkness. In California, specifically the southern corridors, the southern Pacific rattlesnake has evolved a highly complex venom cocktail that includes both hemotoxins and neurotoxins. As urban sprawl moves further into the hills, the interaction rate in 2026 has reached a statistical peak. We descend now into the humidity of the deep south. In Florida and Louisiana, the American alligator is the apex of the wetlands. With a population exceeding 1.3 million in Florida alone, they are an ancient success story. Forensic analysis of alligator strikes reveals a death roll mechanic, a centrifugal force designed to dismember prey through pure torque. But there is a new data point in the Everglades: the Burmese python. This invasive constrictor is re-engineering the ecosystem. While human fatalities remain low, the python represents a biological takeover, a slow-motion catastrophe that is deconstructing the food chain of the American South. In Alabama, Georgia, and Mississippi, the lethality is found in the shadows of the porch and the woodpile. The black widow and the brown recluse. These are the silent technicians. The brown recluse possesses a necrotic venom that literally liquefies skin tissue. It is a study in economy of force, maximum damage, with a biological expenditure of less than 1 milligram of fluid. And then there is Texas. In the Lone Star State, the most dangerous animal is not the rattlesnake or the alligator. It is the Africanized honeybee. Known colloquially as killer bees, their lethality is not in the individual sting, but in the collective aggression. They will pursue a target for over 1/4 of a mile. It is a relentless, coordinated, biological assault. As we analyze the densely populated eastern seaboard and the Midwest, the data provides a chilling subversion of our expectations. In states like Pennsylvania, New York, and Ohio, the apex predator isn't a wolf or a bear. It is the white-tailed deer. This is the most significant forensic revelation in our archive. Through deer vehicle collisions, this species is responsible for more human fatalities annually than all other animals in this archive combined. Over 1.5 million accidents a year. In the forensic view, the deer is a 200-pound projectile that turns a modern vehicle into a lethal trap. In the coastal waters of the Carolinas, the threat returns to the ocean. The bull shark. Unlike the great white, the bull shark possesses a unique biological ability to thrive in both salt and fresh water. They have been found miles upriver, deep into the heart of the mainland. They are aggressive, territorial, and possess the highest testosterone levels of any animal on the planet. Finally, in the rural stretches of the Midwest, from Illinois to Iowa, we find the yellow jacket. Anaphylactic shock from stings is a leading cause of death. It is an invisible lethality, a microscopic protein that turns the body's own immune system into a weapon of self-destruction. The American wilderness is a complex grid of biological risks. From the high-velocity impact of a deer in the Midwest to the neurotoxic silence of a scorpion in the Mojave, lethality is a matter of geography and circumstance. Understanding these forensic truths is the first step in coexisting with the wild. We have archived these facts not to instill fear, but to provide a high-fidelity map of the world as it truly exists in 2026. If you value this level of investigative natural history, your support is what allows Virex to remain a premium archive for the discerning viewer. Click the subscribe button now. Join our community of observers and ensure you are notified when our next archive drops. A deep dive into the architecture of the kill within Yellowstone's wolf packs. This has been a Virex digital archive. Stay observant.